Hey up, this is where we're going today, up the loft. Right, this is my loft space, not very high, not very big, and as you can see stuff's just sort of dumped around, and what I want to do is try and put a bit of shelving in here to organise it a little bit. So my idea is to put braces across here and put shelving sort of in between them, and so just so I can organise it a little bit better and tidy it up. So let's see where we go. This is basically what I'm cutting. These are about 650mm long with holes drilled in either end, and it's out of CLS timber 3x2s. The idea is to fit a brace like this across each whatever they call these bloody roofing joists or something. Level up on the spirit level and then board out in between. I've put the first one on, and now I've got the laser level set to put all the other ones in. That's 3 of them on. Let's get the rest done. I've got them all in along one side now. Now what I'm going to do is put some boards on them. Right, I've just laid some boards on, and they're just boards as I'd already got up the loft. Just utilising what I've got really. And then this is this stuff here is chipboard, which is like Loft, the slot together stuff. And what I've had to do to get them in between, I've used a full board sort of there, and then this one I've had to rip it down the middle. It's not quite wide enough. I could have done with it about another couple of inches longer, couple inches wider if you like, but for that I'm not going to start buying boards for it. Right, I've done all one side, and you get the general idea now, but it's given me a lot more storage, that has. I want to do the other side, and then I'm going to sort something out with the flooring, make that a bit better. In that wasted space in them eaves, it's given me some storage now, so I can gradually go through everything. And I suppose a tip to everybody is try not chuck too much stuff up your loft, because once it's up here, half the stuff you never even look at again. So time for the sort out and get the other shelving done. Anyway, that's it. It gives you the general idea of what I did to put a bit of shelving in there. No point in showing you the rest, because all it is repeating. So if you can like and subscribe, that'd be great, and I'll catch you on the next video.